Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will answer a question in a Facebook group, Canva tips and hacks, how to add color to these animals. So I will right click here and copy image. I will go to my Canva. I will choose Instagram post portrait size, and then I will paste it here. First I will increase the size and I will go to edit and upscale image upscaler. I will make it 8 times and upscale and click replace. So the plan is I will take only the black color. So I will remove all white color, and because of that I need more white surface in this area. So I will decrease the size a little like this. So now as you can see here, the white color is the majority color here. Now download as PNG. Alright, and then I will remove this image. I will change the background color to other color and then upload the PNG here. Now remove the background using widget remover. So now I get only the black color, and then I will go to apps and click here color and choose one color. I will make 3 different color for each of this animal. For example, I will change the tiger to yellow, this yellow, and then click apply effect. And then I will change the giraffe to green. So I will change the color to this green and apply effect. And then I will change the rhino to maybe red and then apply effect. Okay, I will reduce the size of this origin image and put it here. And then select these 3 layers of color. Right click, align element, center, right click, align element, middle. Okay, and then I will increase the size. All right, select position. So now I will start working for the rhino. Just click here and go to widget remover. And click it once again. I will remove it manually. So remove all part that's not belong to this rhino. You can make it click by click. And if you fail like this, just press Ctrl Z. Okay, and it will be returned. And then I will remove this GV. All right, and then close position. I will choose the green one for the giraffe. Click widget remover. All right, and then close it. Now select position for the tiger. Widget remover. Close it. And if you want to add this one, you can add it here. So this is one of the trick to change the color of this image. I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun with Canva.